Welcome to Auto Solo. In this video, I will show you how to fix game not released error in Battle 6 on PC, especially for Steam users.
Fix 1. Uncheck Problem, DLC Step 1. Open Steam Library, right-click Battlefield 6. Properties, DLC. Step 2. Untick Multiplayer Marker or similar DLC. Step 3. Restart Steam and try to launch Fix 2. Sign out and sign. In Step 1, log out of Steam completely. Step 2. Restart your PC. Step 3. Log back in and try to launch the game. Fix 3. Delete Steam Manifest. Step 1. Go to Steam. Steam Apps folder. Step 2. Delete App Manifest. 2,807,960. ACF. Step 3. Open Steam. It will recheck game files. Launch Battlefield 6. Fix 4. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam Library. Right-click Battlefield 6 Properties. Local Files. Step 2. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 3. Wait for Steam to finish. Game Fix 5. Restart everything. Step 1. Exit Steam completely. Step 2. Restart your PC and router. Step 3. Open Steam and launch Battlefield 6. Fix 6. Wait for patch. Server fix. Step 1. Keep Steam and Battlefield 6 updated. Step 2. Wait a few hours. Sometimes the error resolves. Automatically. Step 3. Launch the game.